Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming compatibility. Check your phone/tablet supports the claimed fast charge protocol and that your adapter delivers the required wattage. Once verified, visually inspect the cable and port for lint, bent pins, or corrosion, and clear them safely with compressed air or a soft brush. Make sure you use a certified PD or quick charge adapter and a data-capable high-current cable. Avoid low-quality knockoffs. Finally, perform a quick power reset by unplugging everything and restarting the device to clear charger negotiation errors. You now test methodically. Connect a known good cable with your adapter, then try the suspect cable with a known good adapter, so you isolate whether cable, adapter, or device is at fault. While testing, examine device settings, disable aggressive battery optimization, set USB mode to charging, and confirm any manufacturer fast charge profiles are enabled. Then update system software, and if the adapter supports firmware updates, apply them. These steps fix negotiation mismatches and firmware bugs that commonly prevent fast charging from initiating or sustaining. You finish with advanced diagnostics. Use a USB power meter to verify voltage and current during charging and watch for proper PD or quick charge handshake values. Intermittent drops indicate cable or port faults. If the port is visibly worn, repair or replace the connector using a port repair kit, and consider battery health. Degraded batteries can refuse high current charging. If problems persist, perform a calibrated factory reset after backing up. And if that fails, take the device and adapter to authorized service for component-level repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.